Hi y'all, I'm almost getting to the golden chef hat in Kokai Burger. Especially I'm in my private. Destroy this glass! Okay, let me just pause. Why won't this cardboard fit in? Finally. Okay, I think this is my last package of cheese. No, what I'm saying. Yes! Okay, let me just... Yes! My burger is complete! Let's go now, take it. I think it won't fit. Then I have to jump with it. Or just... Did I just become a witch? Okay, where's the critic? Oh yeah, you. Here's your Baz burger. Here you go. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Yes! I got a golden chef! Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Not those
Let's go. I got open the microphone. Yes.